What's up, guys? We're out here at beautiful Lake Nacimiento. We're getting ready to launch our boat, and we thought this is a perfect time to introduce our new product, Launch. Let's go over what Launch is. Launch is a ceramic fortified all surface sealant. So you can use it on your trailer, gel coat, rub rail, tower, glass, interior hard surfaces. And what it does is it's gonna apply a light layer of protection with each use. It's gonna create a nice slick surface. It's gonna leave the surface super hydrophobic. It's gonna enhance existing protection that is already on your boat, or if you don't have any protection on your boat, it's gonna add a nice layer of light protection with each use. So previously, we would use our Punch It ceramic detail spray. But being that Punch It was hot pink, it was a lot more concentrated, slightly different formulation. It's a little bit difficult to use in the boat environment, being that you'd have to spray it on a microfiber towel. You couldn't spray it directly on the boat, being that the color was hot pink. Sometimes you'd have some staining with that product. Launch has corrected that issue. Also, Punch It was a little bit difficult to use in super hot environments that boats are always gonna be in. You're not gonna have that issue with Launch. Again, you can spray it directly on the surface, wipe it with a microfiber towel, flip the towel, re-wipe it. Super easy to use. You're gonna love the results. Okay, so let's go over how to use it and when to use it. So we're gonna shake it up, spray it directly on the surface, take our microfiber towel, quick wipe, let it set up for a couple seconds, flip the towel, and re-wipe. It's that easy. Then it's gonna give you a nice, slick, protected finish. So when to use it, let's go over what our regimen is. On this boat, we like to pull it out of the water, we take our aftermath, and we're gonna spray it down and remove all the hard water spots from being out on the water for the day. That sometimes leaves some light streaks and a little bit of residue from that process, along with being slightly aggressive because aftermath is a little bit acidic, because that's what it takes to get off those hard water spots. That's when we're gonna take Launch and just do a very quick wipe down, and that reloads the surface back up with protection. That's one way we do it. Or also, if you're just getting out of there and you've just gotten your water spots off and you wanna get home, you can wipe it down with Launch before you launch the boat again to make sure your protection is at 100%. Lastly, let's go over some pro tips with Launch. It is great to keep your layer of beadlock marine functioning at 100%, meaning keeping it super slick and really hydrophobic. Launch is also great to keep your layer of skipper, which is our boat wax. It's great to keep that loaded up and at maximum performance. It's just a great maintenance spray to keep that existing layer of protection at 100%. It's also great for some of you that don't apply any protection to your boat. You don't want to deal with any of that stuff and you just want a quick and easy spray. Launch is great, and it will build up with each use, meaning continue to add more protection with each use. It's also great to use on your trailer, because typically you're not going to go through and apply coating or wax to your whole trailer. Launch is a great way to add protection to your trailer, along with your rims and other components that you just want to take a spray and give it a nice, quick layer of protection. So as always, leave us any questions or comments. We're happy to help. We'll see you next time.